Besties, happy October, girl. You know what that means, girl. It's time to decorate our room for fall and for like Halloween, girl. So I got this from Five Below, girl, for like $5, girl. That girl, I found this little like spooky sign from like Dollar Tree for like $1, girl, and I like this down. Shopped at Target, girl. I found this cute fall like Halloween blanket for only $10, girl. And then I found this cute pillow. It says Hello Pumpkin, which I think is so cute, girl. For only $5, girl. Girl, we found this cute pumpkin that actually changes colors at nighttime for only $5. And then at Dollar Tree, I found this cute like little poison slash like scientist thing, girl. Several minutes later, girl. I mean, several minutes, girl. Let's get into it. So, okay, so I'm gonna sort through this fall stuff, girl, and whatever I don't like, I'm gonna let my mama have, and I'm gonna go and buy like some new stuff. I'm probably gonna go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Five Below. I remember buying these little like fall leaves from like Amazon for like $10, and then in this one we have like some waterfall decor and stuff, girl. And then I actually look what I found. Like, basically, I found two like Halloween candles from like last year, girl. This is like their like Halloween candles from last year, girl. This is Vampire Blood. I never had a chance to like use them, and like I have like a Halloween candle already.